Welcome to my channel, PeekAboo-AI Surveillance, where I go over many different ways AI is being used when it comes to video and audio surveillance. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe so you won't miss out on any news or information pertaining to AI surveillance you may want to know about. There may be some links in the description below you could check out pertaining to each tutorial. To all my returning subscribers, welcome back and enjoy the tutorial. You may have come across some social media posts warning about a government-mandated kill switch that's supposedly coming to new cars sold in the US in 2027. Some posts mention Section 24220 and ominously tell car buyers they should purchase a car before the law goes into effect. Yes, there are laws on the book regarding drunk driving detection technology, and there are real concerns when it comes to automotive privacy. However, there's a lot of misinformation out there. The bottom line is that 2027 model cars are not going to have any mandatory technology that can determine if you're intoxicated or not. There's no such thing as a government-controlled kill switch. Legislation from the 2021 Infrastructure Law Task Safety Regulator will eventually require passive anti-drunk driving tech, but a strict 2027 rollout for active cabin surveillance kill switches is a misconception. Regulators note that tech is not yet market ready. The law, tied to a provision directing the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration to explore advanced impaired driving prevention. The goal, to produce fatal crashes caused by severe driver intoxication or impairment. The plan, require passive detection systems that could prevent an unsafe or impaired driver from operating a vehicle. However, as of 2026, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration has yet to create a standard or issue a final rule for this technology, and has told Congress that there is no commercially available driver alcohol impairment detective system that meets the requirements of the law and is ready to be installed in vehicles. Technology limits. Regulators acknowledge that reliable, passive, commercially ready systems do not currently exist to accurately spot driver alcohol impairment. Timeline delays. Rulemaking deadlines have already slipped, meaning a hard universal mandate taking effect across all 2027 models is unrealistic. Existing tech. Many modern cars already use basic infrared driver monitoring cameras or steering sensors, but they assist the adaptive cruise control or focus alerts rather than acting as a remote shutoff. But the real question remains, are they trying to lean towards a certain reason, such as drunk driving, to make it mandatory to install an AI surveillance system in your car to be monitored by the government? We will soon see. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links, if any, will be in the description below. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any important AI surveillance information that is currently out there. Please make sure you check out the thumbnail that will be floating around at the end pertaining to similar content. And don't forget, Peekaboo, I see you now.